Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. In today's video, we continue our urban survival series with episode 2. We'll be diving into the essential everyday carry or EDC items you need for urban survival. Stick around to learn how to stay prepared for anything city life throws your way. Navigating the urban jungle requires readiness for anything. Everyday carry or EDC is all about having the right tools and items on hand to tackle emergencies, inconveniences, and unexpected situations. Let's jump into the must-have EDC essentials that can make all the difference in your daily urban adventures. Section 1. The evolution of EDC. Carrying essential tools is an age-old practice. From ancient times when people carried knives and fire starters, to the modern era where urbanization shapes our needs, the core idea of EDC remains the same. Be prepared for the unexpected. Section 2. Core principles of EDC. EDC revolves around 3 core principles: preparedness, practicality, and accessibility. Let's break these down. Preparedness means anticipating potential scenarios and having the right tools ready. Practicality ensures your EDC items are versatile and efficient, without unnecessary bulk. Accessibility means your tools are organized for quick and easy retrieval. Section 3. Essential EDC items. Now let's go through the essential EDC items you should carry. Multi-tool. A compact multi-tool combines pliers, screwdrivers, scissors, and a knife, making it indispensable for various tasks. Knife. A reliable folding knife is essential for cutting, self-defense, and more. Choose a durable, high-quality knife. Flashlight. A small, powerful flashlight is crucial for dark environments and emergencies. LED flashlights are a great choice. Pen and notebook. A durable pen and a waterproof notebook are perfect for jotting down information and leaving notes. Tactical pens can also serve as self-defense tools. Smartphone and charger. Your smartphone is essential for communication, navigation, and accessing information. A portable charger ensures your phone stays powered. Wallet and identification. Carry your ID, credit cards, and some cash. A minimalist wallet keeps your essentials secure without adding bulk. First aid kit. A compact first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and personal medications can be a lifesaver. Include trauma shears and a tourniquet for serious injuries. Water bottle. Stay hydrated with a durable, refillable water bottle, reducing reliance on single-use plastics. Watch. A reliable watch helps you keep track of time. Digital or tactical watches offer additional features like alarms and compasses. Keychain tools. Attach small, useful tools like a mini flashlight, Swiss Army knife, or bottle opener to your keychain for easy access. Section 4. EDC organization and carry methods. Organizing and carrying your EDC items efficiently is key. Pockets. Using your pockets is simple for small items, but avoid overloading to maintain comfort. Belt holsters. Belt holsters offer easy access to tools like multi-tools or flashlights, freeing up pocket space. Bags and backpacks. A dedicated EDC bag or backpack helps you carry more items and stay organized. Look for multiple compartments and sturdy construction. Custom pouches. Custom pouches can organize smaller items within a larger bag, ensuring everything has its place and is easily found. Section 5. Legal considerations. When putting together your EDC kit, remember to check local laws regarding items like knives or multi-tools. Regulations on blade length, carry methods, and other aspects can vary and affect the legality of your EDC items. Everyday carry is all about being prepared for the challenges and opportunities that urban life presents. By thoughtfully selecting and organizing essential tools, you can handle a wide range of situations efficiently. Whether it's for convenience, safety, or emergency preparedness, a well-curated EDC kit is an invaluable asset for modern urban survival. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips in our urban survival series.